Emma's virtual garden, respecting nature, real and digital. Emma loved creating her virtual garden. With just a click, flowers bloomed, trees appeared, and streams flowed. It was her perfect world, made just the way she liked. Emma filled her digital garden with cute animals. A bunny hopped around and birds chirped as they flew from tree to tree. Her garden felt so alive. Looking at her virtual garden, Emma felt proud. Everything was so colorful and perfect. It seemed like nothing could ever go wrong. Emma showed her mom the beautiful garden she had created. "It's so pretty, Emma," her mom said. "But don't forget, the real world needs care too." Outside, the real garden didn't look quite as bright. The grass had some bare patches and the flowers looked thirsty. Emma realized it needed attention too. Emma thought about how much time she spent making her virtual garden perfect. She had forgotten to take care of the one that was right outside her window. Emma grabbed her watering can and went outside. As she gave the thirsty flowers a drink, the garden began to look a little happier. Emma got down on her knees and started pulling out weeds. It wasn't as easy as clicking a button, but it felt good to help the plants grow. After filling up the bird feeder, Emma watched as real birds came to eat. Their cheerful chirping reminded her of her virtual garden's birds, but these ones were even better. Emma looked at both gardens, the virtual one on her screen and the real one outside. She realized that while both were beautiful, the real garden needed her love and care. Emma told her mom what she had learned. "It's fun to make a garden in a game," she said, "but the real garden is just as important to take care of." Emma went back to her virtual garden, but this time, she made a promise. She would spend just as much time outside taking care of the real world too. Sitting in her real garden, Emma felt happy. The flowers bloomed, the birds sang, and she knew that both her virtual and real gardens had a place in her heart.